Hey guys, just an update on this Euro Aussie trade which I shared with you last week in the forum. So as you can see, the 30th September, this is the trade idea I shared as a swing trade for a long, and it is currently up 160 odd pips on here. So we had multiple reasons here for the long. If you look at this on the weekly time frame, we had a weekly 200 and a monthly 55, so clearly a big area of previous support and resistance over here, as you can see. So I took an entry just above this weekly 200 and put my stop below the monthly 55, and then I moved my stops to a little higher to reduce my risk during NFP. So this is up nicely now around 160 odd pips. So what I'm going to do, because my first take profit level is around here at 180, I'm going to take most of this trade scale out, and I'll leave the rest to run to about in here, where I'm also looking to take a shot because it's currently in a downtrend on the longer time frames. So what I'm going to do is close, and we've got one lot on that, so I'll take 0.70 off, and I'll leave the rest to run for this trade to hit the next take profit level. Okay, that's 160 pips for today. It's only Monday, and we'll see how this trade goes and how far it can go. Thank you.